Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're chilling inside. It's extremely hot outside today. It was 116 when I was outside. I actually just got this eagle tattooed on my arm, and I got a bunch more detail and stuff on my arm, so I'm staying inside today. It is insanely hot, and it burns. My arm burns whenever I'm outside. It even senses sunlight. So we're going to be talking about a very interesting article that popped up, and it's very unfortunate, to say the least. A grocery delivery driver says she was dragged into someone's home and assaulted. So, first of all, self-defense, man, it is so crucial. Like, I always have pepper spray in my car, and I'm also pretty proficient at, like, martial arts and stuff. So, I think everyone needs to at least get pepper spray and maybe take a few jiu-jitsu classes or something, because that could seriously save your life. There's been a few times where wrestling, like my wrestling background, has literally saved my life. I've had several cases where people either try to kill me or I was put into a position where I had to basically save this guy's life, and wrestling saved my life, basically, to say the least. So, that being said, get yourself some martial arts experience, a pepper spray, and if you guys want, also, here, comment down below. Question of the day for you guys. Let me know, what do you guys defend yourself with? Do you guys know any martial arts? Do you guys have pepper spray? Do you carry a weapon on you? What do you guys use? Because someone just commented the other day saying that they delivered in body armor. And I think that's a little excessive, but to each his own. And if you want to deliver in body armor, deliver in body armor. But anyways, so let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys use? Is it pepper spray? Or do you do jiu-jitsu? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so first, in Tyler, Texas, so it is in America, in Texas, a Texas woman was jailed on multiple charges, including aggravated kidnapping, after police say she attacked a person on a grocery delivery order. Poor girl. Really, seriously, poor girl. Christian Blancard, 43, is also charged. So it seems like Christian, I'm assuming that's a guy, is also charged with assault causing bodily injury. Oh, it looks like, so there was a guy and a girl involved in this whole assault thing. And interfering with an emergency request for assistance. Megan, who asked to be identified only by her first name, was taking orders and shopping as she normally would on a Sunday morning. After dropping off the first delivery, she said she prepared to go to the second house to deliver Blancard's order. I try not to have contact with the customers. I just leave it on the doorstep, as most of us normally would. Knock on the door, go back into my car, and leave, she said. Blancard's order also included alcohol. Now, just reading this is the first time I've read this, by the way. I actually came into this one time. I was delivering a Postmates order, and this guy was like, hey, come on inside, we're hanging out, like, partying, you should come join us. And I was like, nah, I'm good, like, I'm not trying to hang out with this guy anyways. But he was, like, super persistent, and I was like, nah, man, I'm not going in your house, I'm sorry. I was like, well, would you at least go get us some alcohol? And he was like, I'll give you $40 right now, cash. And I was like, oh, okay, I think I'm down to do that. So I went and got this guy alcohol, but that could have gone so wrong, and it almost did, because when I came back, he was like, this isn't the alcohol I ordered, I wanted the specific vodka. And I was like, no, man, you literally told, like, I know what I'm buying. Like, you just are drunk, and you're changing your mind and telling me you wanted something else. And he's literally trying to give me a hard time, and, like, almost grabbed me, and I was like, all right, I'm out of here. But, again, like, I'm not, if it was most other people in these cases, like, it could go very wrong if it's like an elderly woman doing delivery, or a younger woman, or like a young kid. There's so many times where I've been in bad situations, and I'm like, man, if it was like just about anyone but me, it could have been really bad. So, let's see, she said, it was actually a woman wrapped in a towel, and she was hysterically crying. She said, I'm so glad you're here. You have saved my life. Can I have a hug? Whoa, that is freaking weird. The delivery driver said, Megan said she felt sorry for the woman and gave her a hug. Big red flag. But, man, See, like, I don't know, maybe I, like, if it was bad, like, but again, like, I don't feel like I would ever get him overpowered, but Jesus, who knows, this could go so wrong. Hey, tss, tss. Got a cat fight going on over here. Speaking of defending herself, my cat is getting beat up by her younger brother. Anyways, okay. Kit Kat, practice your jujitsu. Megan was able to get a hand-free and call 911. Then when she said Blanchard grabbed her phone and threw it across the room, eventually she was able to get free. I ran over to the house. I ran through the house towards the front door. As I got there, I was about 5 or 6 deadbolts on the door. 5 or 6 deadbolts. What a psychopath. And they were all locked. So I got about the third one, got them unlocked, and she was back up and got onto my back. Police said they responded about 11:50 a.m. Andy Urbarn, I don't know, with Tyler. Police said when the officers arrived on scene, they could hear yelling from inside and the residency. Upon entry, they found Blanchard on top of the victim. Megan said she was sharing her story to remind others to be careful out there. Megan says, I also felt like something crazy could have gone, or I felt like something like this could never happen, and it was completely safe. You have to be aware of your surroundings. Don't let anyone fool you. I guess also everyone should always stay cautious. Try not to have contact with customers as much as possible. Blanchard's bonds total was $77,500. She remains in the Smith County Jail on Monday. So, with that being said, guys, again, martial arts, super crucial. I think just a few basic jiu-jitsu classes, just understanding how to position your body, understanding a few submissions like a triangle or something. If someone who is completely unaware of how any of these positions work, they are basically fucked, and you can basically overpower someone. Personally, I've been training it for a few years. Obviously, my business partner is Tony Ferguson, a famous UFC fighter, so I've been blessed to be around that, but it's just so important because just the basics of hand fighting and any kind of maybe basic striking, although a lot of people in these kind of cases aren't going to actually punch someone, but jiu-jitsu could save your life. It literally could save your life, and so could something like pepper spray, but I don't know about in this case. Pepper spray, because unless you're going to have it on your keychain, there is these little keychain pepper sprays that are pretty sweet. Anyways, what a crazy story. Man, that could go so wrong. And, yeah, I will make a video pretty soon about my bad delivery experiences, but I've had some pretty bad ones. I had to save this kid's life because basically this guy was trying to kill him, and I walked up on it. It was when I first started doing Postmates. All that in a separate video, though. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Also, again, comment down below what you guys carry as self-defense, or if you guys have any martial arts background or wrestling, maybe. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you consider subscribing to the channel and also smash the like button. We got more videos coming at you every single day of the year. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Drive safe. Peace, guys.